Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we have very special video. We are here at Pommi Puisto Explosion Park with our smaller press and we are going to crush dynamite. Maybe not the whole stick, but some amount. And thanks to our today's sponsor NordVPN, we can risk the 40-ton press here. If you use my link down in description, you are going to get huge discount on 2-year plan and 4 extra months for free. But more about that later. I think if we try to crush the whole stick like this, the pressure is not going to be enough to detonate it. So we are going to switch to smaller tool to get higher pressure against the dynamite. And I have no idea what's going to happen. I heard that rock crushers, if there is dynamite left on the rocks and you throw it in the crusher, it might explode. So this is a bit similar to that. So it's going to be a really exciting video. And if this doesn't explode, we have also blasting caps, gunpowder, fireworks, all stuff explosive. So I'm sure that something is going to explode. And what's our press's opinion on that? I'm not sure. I think it's going to survive. There is so little of dynamite between the tools when it goes that I think it's going to survive. I think that like these polycarbonate stuff, these might fly away, but we can worry that later. And as said, we are at proper test site. My friend Pommi Henkka, Explosion Henkka, he's going to take care of the explosives. So we are in safe location and everything is done by professionals. So don't try this at home. Okay, first one, we're going to start slowly, fireworks. And we're going to light this up before we crush it to get best possible chance to get explosion already on the first go. So here we go. Okay, that was a good start. Got small explosion and I think we are going to continue with gunpowder next. Then we are going to step up from consumer stuff to professional stuff. I think nobody uses this anymore. But this is like blasting gunpowder, rock gunpowder. So this is a bit different than your typical stuff. That's good.
That's good amount.
That's good. Good thing when you hear just nervous laugh. Let's hope that our video doesn't end here. But we are going to now crush this pile of gunpowder. Okay, we are going to now go into concrete bunker. So if press parts are going to fly here, we are going to be completely safe. Don't ever mix gunpowder and steel parts. It's a bad idea. So that's why we are going to do it now. Okay, then the next one, blasting cap. So this is the thing that you use to start dynamite or other high explosives. And this has 1 gram of really sensitive explosive inside. Usually it goes off from electric charge. But how about a lot of pressure? Will it explode? Let's find out. And this is in aluminum casing. So if it explodes, there's going to be aluminum shrapnel. So we are going to be again far away. No niin.
Laskeutumaan prässiä. Katsotaan mitä tapahtuu. Anna vaan lähteä.
Ei vitu jee.
Miten voi olla? Miten voi olla? Miten voi olla?
Okay, didn't explode. What the hell? Okay, then the main event of the day. dynamite, and we are not going to crush the whole stick. And since this seems to be extremely hard to get anything explode, I put this here. So we are going to have only about 30mm diameter to carry the whole 40 tons of force. And we are going to place about like 10 or 20 grams of dynamite here. And now we are going to crush from concrete bunker. And it's not much, but it's dynamite. So I assume that the blast shields might be gone when this is over if it explodes. Didn't explode. Okay, we had a small mistake there. I lost the original footage, but I can explain it now. At the last moment, there was mostly just paper wrapping between the tools, not dynamite. So we are going to redo this without the paper wrapping, but before that, more about today's sponsor, NordVPN. I have been using NordVPN for a completely new use case lately. All the fancy large language models and other AI tools are not available on everywhere world at the same time. I have been found out that Europe is quite much lagging behind, probably for some privacy laws or whatever, but with NordVPN I'm able to teleport my IP address to United States and use all the greatest tools. And of course the same trick works when watching Netflix or other streaming services. You can teleport your IP address to United States or wherever and watch shows that are available there, not in your home country. It makes also your internet usage more anonymous because it encrypts your data and hides the sites and services that you are using. Your internet provider or any other actor like that is only going to see encrypted data going to NordVPN server and doesn't know what you are doing and where. And now by using my link you are going to get huge discount from 2-year plan plus 4 extra months for free. There is also 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like the product for some reason you are going to get all of your money back, so no risk on trying it out. So go to nordvpn.com/hydraulicpress and you are going to get this offer only through that link, so go check it out. And now, more crushing. Okay, we are not going to end the video without proper explosion. So we just place some dynamite and blasting cap there. And we are going to explode it. So this demonstration, what it would look like if it would explode from crushing. And to protect the hydraulic system, I leave like 10mm there air. I don't want to make a huge shock if it's not necessary. And I think the blast shields might fly away, but they're really dirty already, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so now it's going to go off. Let's hope for the best for the press. And here it goes.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit!
Nothing happened.
It's like okay. We didn't use too much dynamite. I think that's like first time ever. We were behind the concrete, so we couldn't see. But here comes the high speed. Okay, here it is.
Pumps.
Pumps. Yeah, that's just pumps.
Yeah, it's
I think we need a bit more than pumps. Yeah, one more.
Can we double it?
Yeah, double. Triple. Okay, the 10 grams was way too little, so we put triple the amount. And here it goes.
3, 2, 1.
It's pretty decent like fireball, and you nicely see how the upper press tool protects the GoPro. Yeah, but I think we don't need to go any more than this. If we put more, then the shields start to fly. Yeah, but hydraulic press can't explode dynamite, and dynamite or 30 grams of dynamite can't destroy the press. Yeah, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.